Yeah, you guys are pretty diligent about the buyers that actually come through the platform. So um, they're vetted, of course, being brought in by agents. So yeah, and then the retail prices, the flexibility, the showings, the communication, the photography, just everything from top to bottom. It's a full service, one stop white glove service shop. So yeah.
Yeah, yeah, and you mentioned photography. That's right. We do professional photography for every listing.
Mhm.
So and whether it's an agent or an investor, we do it, with no charge to the listing agent or the seller. And
Yeah. Yeah.
that's a plus. If it doesn't sell on the platform, there's no charge.
Yeah, the
That's
cool
one
thing
thing.
is it's
Yeah.
not just sorry to interrupt, but I wanted to add a bonus to it,
No.
which was that it's not just any photography. This is stellar photography. It is not, you grab a person that shoots, real estate on a regular basis and just throw them out there. This photography is unreal. I mean, I've had people ask me, man, how did you get those photos? How did you, man, it looks unbelievable. And these are other agents that are veterans in the business. So that says something right there.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it just reminds me, we had one recently. We have one down on Southern Maryland, and the agent who's listing it was very happy because our photographer did some nice drone stuff, and it's right near the water. It's a townhouse development down by the water, and yeah, really nice. And they were thrilled because, like you said, not only is it great photography, but there's also it doesn't cost the listing agent anything. They get photography, top-notch photography done, and regardless of the listing sells, it's their photography. They get to keep it. So we try and do everything in a way where we're putting our, everyone can see that we have skin in the game and we believe in what we do. We're not trying to, hedge and like, well, we don't want to spend the money on that because what if it doesn't sell? Hey, we do everything in good faith because most things sell on our platform because of the method.
Yeah.
So, and if they don't, it's just like I said, we want to make everybody happy and try and have the best service. And that's another thing. Like we want everything to be quality control. We wouldn't want bad photos, even for the sake of the platform. So, yeah, it's a big benefit. I think in our philosophy is do everything the best that can be done. And I think that's probably any